Cookies.
Wow, what kind of cookies?
Chocolate cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies. Okay, so first, what are we going to do?
We need to put
The what's this?
butter.
Okay, pork.
Wow, this is white inside. This white inside there.
And then we're going to put the, what's this?
The sugar.
Okay.
Whoa. It's been brown.
And then the white sugar. Don't forget the white sugar.
This one.
Yes.
We mix it together.
Yes. You mix it around and around. Make sure it gets melted. Harder. There you go. Faster.
Wow, it's chocolate.
Faster.
It's chocolate. Wow.
It's creamy. Not yet. Mix, mix, mix. For a minute.
Egg. What's the moving?
We're gonna mix it in our awesome orange bowl. Or awesome Tupperware
It's
bowl.
chocolate now.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute is up. Wait for 2 minutes. Let it sit. Let the sugar and butter mixture sit. Are you excited? We're also waiting for the chocolate, right? Is that important, the chocolate?
2 minutes? Why 2 minutes?
We have to let it sit so that the sugar will melt into the butter. Okay? Give it a taste. Just one small piece. Good?
It's yummy.
Okay. Well, it will taste better when we put it in a cookie.
Whoa!
Yes.
Okay.
Next, we're going to put the egg yolk. Okay, put the egg yolk.
This is yolk.
There. Here's the egg yolk. Egg yolk. And then we're going to put the egg. Open it. Break it. Don't put the shell. Okay, very good. Put the shell there. And then, okay, slowly. You can do it. Come on. Don't be scared. It's okay. Go. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. Now you're gonna mix it.
It's gonna be
Yummy.
10 hours.
10 hours.
Yes.
Okay, just mix, mix. Faster, 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 faster. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, no, no, careful. Don't. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, 11, 12. Mix, mix. Okay, you do it. 13, 14. Come on.
It's coming inside. Whoa.
Mix it. So, Sebi, we have to wait for 2 minutes.
Okay.
So, while waiting, let's have a Q&A. What's your favorite food? Flour? What's your favorite dessert? What's your favorite fruits? Strawberries. What's your favorite color? Red? What's your favorite toy? Shinkansen? No. What's your favorite toy? Yellow trains.
Yes.
What's your favorite shirt? What color is your favorite shirt? Rainbow shirt. What do you like better? Crayons or paint?
Crayons.
What do you like better? Paper or plastic?
Plastic.
You like plastic? Play-Doh or slime?
Slime.
Slime? Shoes or slippers? Shoes or slippers? Slippers. Do you like to stay indoors or go outdoors? You like going outdoors. Do you like sleeping on the bed or sleeping on the floor? On the floor?
Yes.
Do you like aircon or electric fan? Electric fan?
Yes.
To make you fresh. Do you like taking a bath in hot water or cold water?
Hot water.
Hot water? What's your favorite toy to bring in the shower? The airplane? The one from Papa? Okay. Thank you. Wait, mix it for 30 seconds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay, and then we can put the flour. Put the flour, but half first. Okay, go. Slowly. Half. Stop first. Stop first. Half first. Shake it and then it will fall like this.
No, Mimi.
You can tap it here on this side. Okay. No, you tap it like this. Like this.
You can bounce it.
Yes. You can bounce it. That's right. And then you're gonna put this here. The baking soda. Put the baking soda. And then bounce it again. Bounce it. Press that. Press the little bitsy baking soda. Is there more? Press. And then put the rest of the flour. The flour. Okay, look. You can put it down here. Right, more. Make sure it's all finished. You need help with this. Tap it. Tap. Okay, the Tupperware empty.
Whoa. That's so yummy. Wow. Did you see the chocolate?
So now you're gonna mix it. Okay. Be careful, it might fall. Keep it inside the bowl, Sebi, so that the ingredients are not wasted. You're just gonna mix it enough, not too much. Don't over mix it or else you're gonna have like really tough cookies, right? Okay. So just make sure that everything is mixed. Okay? Are you eating? Are you eating something? Ah. Say ah.
Chocolate.
Stop eating chocolate. Here's the fun part. We're going to put some chocolate chips. Put the chocolate chips.
This is so small. Let me make it smaller.
It's okay. Go. Yummy. And then you're going to put, just fold it, and then this, half of this. Give me the, wait, give me this. 1 1/2 cups of chocolate. Put this. Come on. And then this one too. Okay, now mix it. Fold it. Fold it.
It's gonna be some yummy chocolate.
Like this.
Chop.
Don't chop it. Don't chop it. Don't do that, Sebi. Okay, just hold it. Then we're gonna put this in the ref for 2 hours, okay?
2 hours?
Yes. Okay, so tell everyone, see you later. Tell everyone, see you later. Sebi,
Bye.
see you later.
Bye. See you later.
Okay, so this is our dough from the ref.
I like chocolate.
So we've been chilling it for how many hours?
I like chocolate.
Say 4 hours.
I like chocolate.
I know. So we've been chilling it for 4 hours. So we're gonna put it in our baking pan. So these are 100-gram dough balls. which we've shaped using our hands, and we've kept them high. Yay, and it's done. So this is Sebi's cookies. So it's underbaked at 8 minutes. So usually you should cook it at 11 to 15 minutes. So excited. Yum yum. We actually added some walnuts while forming the dough because Jingjong wanted walnuts. So now we're cooling the cookies in the baking rack. After cooling it in the pan, ooh, planning to eat my cookie with wine. Yum yum. Excited to try. Describe the cookie for me. Describe it.
The cookie.
Yeah, describe the cookie. Is it sweet? Is it crunchy? What is it?
It's soft.
It's soft. What else?
It's crunch.
There's crunch. What else?
Good.
Is it good? Is it perfect?
Yeah.
Undercooked?
Why the chocolate is melted?
It's melted because it's warm. It's undercooked. You like it? Okay, show me. Thumbs up. Okay. Love you. Say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.